YouTube, I'm back, Chatty-Ness, with another video. I came back to talk about 2 different products today, but before I get into that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. I'm a little tired, I just got in from work, but I promised I was gonna come back on Monday to give y'all another video update. And I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday, so today is Tuesday. This is the hair serum that I was telling you about before that I used. It's empty now. But I was using it every night and then every morning. And you're only supposed to use it once a day. But I was using it before I go to bed and when I wake up. So after I read it thoroughly, it said only use once. But what I have to say about this is that this stuff here is the truth. This is good. I have braids in my hair. My braids lifting up so much that I had to take them out. I couldn't keep going to work like that because at the end of the day, I'm grown and I'm not a child. So I couldn't just keep going to work looking like who done it and ran. So now I got a puff, y'all. I'm so happy. I got a little puff. Y'all see my little curls because my hair is growing, and thanks to this stuff, it just kind of gave it a boost growth or something. So I must work on the second jar now because this one I wasn't supposed to finish. It's supposed to be finished in 30 days. And I only been using it, I think, like a week. And it really, I'm telling you, in a week I seen results. I could not believe my braids was lifting up. First I thought I was losing it because I'm like, is it me or my braids look like they sitting up? And when I pulled them up, I had like this much new growth after I didn't have any new growth at all. So this stuff works. So the second thing I want to talk to y'all about today is the Omez Beauty. Remember I said I was going to do half my head with Omez and the other half of my hair with the Shea Beauty. Well, I tried that yesterday and on my day off just to see how it would work out for me. And I can't do that. I'm going to do Omez for 1 week in my hair. And then I'm going to do the Shea Beauty in my hair for the next week and see how that works out. Because when I try to do one side with this and one side with the Shea Beauty, it's so greasy on this side of my head. It's just not working out. If this feels awkward on my head, so I have to, for me to get an honest opinion of both of them, I would have to distribute the Shea Beauty around my head the right way, around my whole head, and see how that works with my little puff now. And I'm doing it with the Omez now. So right now I got 1 day with Omez in my hair, but I'm going to wash my hair in the morning and reapply it again because I had put this other stuff in it on top of it. And now I just want to see with just the Omez in my hair. So at the end of the week, I'm going to do another video and tell you how it worked out for me to have the Omez only in my hair. I'm just going to have, wash my hair. And then in the mornings, I'll spritz it a little bit with some water. And then I'm going to put whatever oil, probably the oils that I got mixed together, I'll put in my hair just a little bit. And then I'll put the Omez in. And then the second week, I'll do the Shea Beauty the same way. And then that way I can get a fair, now that my hair is loose, I can get a fair opinion on both of them. And then that way I can't say anything negative about one that's not really giving it a fair shot. So, because I didn't really give the Shea Beauty a fair shot because I only tried it on my little twist that I had when I had the first set of braids. And then after that, I was putting it on the ends of my hair, on the ends of the braids. I never put it in my hair until yesterday. But I think I put too much on one side and it just wasn't working. It's just like I was greasy all up in here, and I just want to be able to put it on my hand and evenly distribute it through my hair the right way so that way I can see what it really does. So being that this is my favorite, I'm going to start with this one first for 1 week. And then I'll come back at the end of the week and let y'all know. And then I'm going to finish my second bottle because I'm going to start my second bottle tomorrow because I used the last of this one today. And I'm going to actually do it once a day, like it says, and see how long it lasts because it's supposed to last 30 days. But I don't see how this little tiny bottle is going to last 30 days. But We'll see. Because this was supposed to be a 2-month supply, and I finished it in 1 week. So what I'm going to do is see how much more growth that's going to give me with my hair being loose. And yeah. So I'm not going to stay long on this video. I just really wanted to come really fast and tell y'all about this Allurium and give y'all an update. This stuff is good. So yeah, you can actually, it's right on Facebook. You could go on, or you could go on the site. I'll put the site on. I think I have the site in my description on my first video about it. And then we're going to test this out for a week and see how this do. I already know how it does, but my hair was really short when I was doing it the first time. Remember, I only had the blonde and it was really short, like a Caesar. So now I'm going to do it now that I got some hair. So I know I probably look tired, y'all. I'm really tired. I want to go to bed. So I'm about to take off my work clothes, take a shower, probably eat something small, and then go get in the bed because I am tired. And then I will come back to y'all. I'm going to try to do it on my day off. That way I'm not coming to y'all rushing through a video because I'm tired. I'll come back maybe on Sunday and show you what's been going on with the OMES. And then I'll probably do another video too because I got some other products I want to talk about. So, yeah. All right, so just give y'all a little quick little side view of my pub. I'm so happy. So I'm so happy now. I got my little puff. I feel like my hair is getting somewhere now. And I'm so happy that blonde is getting out of my hair. I've been snipping at it and snipping at it. See, I got a little piece here I didn't snip yet. I guess I'll snip that tonight. But I just been snipping at it. But I can't really get to the back the way I want to. And I don't want to cut too much. So I'm trying to wait it out in the back. But I'm just tired of the blonde. I want all the blonde out my hair. So it could just be my normal color hair. And it can have a nice, healthy growth with no kind of chemical in it. So, yeah. So y'all have a good night. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss nothing. Bye.
I'm looking down from up in